to learn that there's different paths they may want to put.
It's not a model, and the idea is to inspire, introduce working with your hands. You know, there's a lack of building in schools today. Shop classes have been eliminated, so we're trying to get sixth to eighth graders back into working with their hands due to you know, there's a huge skill gap. So that's the idea behind this. The builders had 2 weeks to build. And then there are judges at the event today that are going to judge each piece, and then there'll be prizes for first, second, and third.
Okay, I'm Kate Valenti. It's Katevalenti. I'm the president of CK Valenti Designs, so I'm the co-owner with my husband, Chris. I describe it as an opportunity to get creative, and the official challenge is a design and build challenge. So it's not just to take a box of materials and turn it into something, but it's to really think through that process. What is the design process? And how do you take something from a concept through design into a build?
Who's keeping track of that?
My mom. Yeah, so this is really Chris's brainchild. He runs a fabrication shop and is always looking for qualified workers, and has trouble finding craftsmen who can work at the quality that he needs for his clients. And we started to look at why aren't there kids who are coming up and working in the trades. It's just getting fewer and fewer kids are finding that that's the career path of choice. And it's a cool job. There's a lot of opportunity to get to work with your hands and be creative and do different things. It's not always the same thing. I mean, this is a custom fabrication shop, which means it's always building something new. And so Chris thought maybe we could inspire some kids to start to work with their hands and to not always be on a mobile device, but to actually build. And so the idea was born to create a challenge that allowed kids to do that and to show that creativity, and hopefully to spark an interest in building real stuff with their hands. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Let's see. The one that I liked the best, there was one that was my favorite, and I think it kind of blew the rest of them out of the water. It was the pedestrian, or the pedestrian
Golden Bridge.
The Golden Bridge, yeah. Tourist Bridge is what it was called.
Yeah.
She had it all worked out. What the plan was for the bridge, her inspiration for the bridge, how it was supposed to conceptually work, and I think the thing that really got me was that she wanted to make sure that we saw that there was a little robot person inside the toll booth, so she used her purse to wedge it so we could see in there better. And as an exhibit designer, we're always using things like that to try to make sure that the visitor can view whatever it is that we're trying to display.
Well, no question, being around children. They are energetic, they're bright-eyed, and they're ready to take on the world. And a creative, imaginative event like this that's been put on is wonderful because it knows no bounds. When I see a box of things and I kind of already know what I want to build and some of the creativity out there and some of the designs I would have never thought to do some of the things that they did. So that's the beauty of being here, being